Hello, hello everyone. Hello, Beatlemania fans. Here I am again. I'm going to show you our Beatles single suitcase. Look, so nice. I guess this was taken in Germany because the language written here is in German. Something like ja, wat kan die zich stil houden? Of something like Dutch, maybe it's a Dutch. Something like I'm not quite sure of German or Dutch. Maybe it's Dutch. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Look, 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 look. Ooh. Look at that. My husband been treasuring it for so long. He's been collecting memorabilia and stuff of Beatles when he was young, and until now he's still collecting. So I have to be careful about this because it looks so antique. Let me check. Ooh, that's very old. Let me check what's inside and show you guys. Let's start with this. Ooh. Single. This one is from Parlophone Odeon. I Call Your Name by Paul McCartney. Written by John Lennon and Paul McCartney. Ayan. And the other side is Long Tall Sally. This one is made in Holland. Made in Holland. I have to be very careful of this. And this one is Wings, Van Wings. It's the band of Paul McCartney. Ayan. And this is for Apple. B is for Beatles. Ayan, Apple siya. Let me down and get back. Ayan. So, ipabalik ko. Mamaya hindi ko pwede siyang pagsama-samahin. Ito rin po. Ayan. Here. Baby in Black. Old Brown Shoe. The Ballad of John and Yoko. Ito rin. The Beatles. Lady Madonna, The Inner Light. This one is George Harrison. Ticket to Ride, and yes it is. And the Yellow Submarine. Ito rin. Odeon. Hold Me Tight. Lennon McCartney, John. This is really antique. Look, this been collecting. This single, my hubby been collecting when he was in young age. Look, he wrote down the name of the Beatles when he was young. It's so nice. So nice. Look, this is very nice. It's made in Holland. And this 45 RPM is produced by George Martin, recording during live world television transmission. Ayan. Nice, eh? Here's another one. I Am the Walrus and Hello Goodbye. The other side. Hello Goodbye. And this one, Roll Over, Beethoven, Hold Me Tight. Here's another one, cute 45. France is Francia, that's French. Les Beatles, 1965. No Reply, I'm a Loser, Rock and Roll Music, 8 days a week. Ayan. They're so adorable. And this one from the movie A Hard Day's Night. Movie The Hard Day's Night. And this one, the Beatles, Hello Goodbye. And I Am the Walrus. I Am the Walrus. Ayan. And this one also nice. Hey Jude. Yeah. Here's another cute one. Day Tripper, I'm down, we can work it out. Act naturally. They're so adorable. And this one. Here's another one. This one, Penny Lane and Strawberry Fields Forever. This one is Russian, I think. It's made in Russia. Look. It's Russian alphabet. Lady Madonna. Here's another one. The Beatles on Apple. Yeah, Let It Be. And You Know My Name. Nice single. And this one, Girl, and the other side is Michelle. Here's a cute one as well. Kansas City, Mr. Moonlight, 8 days a week, Words of Love. Ito, twist and shout, rock and roll. Do you want to know a secret? Look at this guy. My hubby has this clippings. It was taken from the Buckingham Palace when the Beatles received the MBE award. Is that an award of recognition from the Queen? The Queen. Look at that. Nice clipping. Isn't it right? And here's another one. I like this because something like special. Russian with Russian alphabets. So my hubby has two of these with the Russian alphabet. And it's from Russia. Oh no, it's not Russian. It's Greek. The other one I showed you before earlier was Russia, from Russia, and this one is Greek. This one is Greek's alphabet. This one is made from Greece. Look, it's very nice. Odium. And this one as well, the paperback writer. Paperback writer. So good. And this is the last one. This one made in Apple Records. This one during the Hare Krishna. Yeah. So that's all, guys. I showed you all what's in here. A very nice and very good collection of my hubby. Our collection. Actually, his collections. Because he been collecting the Beatles memorabilia when he was in a young age. So I'm happy and glad to show you off. Oh. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. And don't forget to watch all my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And what would you like to see next? Then maybe then I'll show it to you. So please comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Peace.